Do you ever wake up first thing in the morning and find this? Your garage door's been left open all night. Well, I've got a $20 solution that'll make sure this never happens again.
All right, I apologize for that very raw piece of video. But the solution I came up with is this thing right here. It's called a MyQ Smart Garage Door Controller. I only paid $20 for it. And normally I show you how to install these things first, but I'm gonna cut to the chase. I'm gonna show you how it works and what I use it for. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to install it. So if you're really interested in it, you could stick around and watch that. But for now, what you need to know is this thing is a bridge between your Wi-Fi and your garage door opener. That's really what it does. And it enables you to use the MyQ app so that you can know whether your garage door is open or closed. There is a sensor on the garage door too. I'll show you that in a second. You can see on the app whether the garage door is opened or closed, and then you just touch it and it will open or close the garage door for you. And here you see the garage is open, and I'm going to click it again. So a couple of the cool things about this, it lets you know that your door is open or closed, and it allows you to click a button on your phone so that you can open and close your door remotely from anywhere in the world that you have connectivity. But that wouldn't really help me make sure that the door is never left open overnight, right? So I'm going to show you how I actually accomplish that. So what you can do is, first and foremost, there's a schedule here. And so you can see I have it set up so that every night at 10:30, it will automatically close my garage door if it's open. So it'll never get left open in the middle of the night again. Secondly, I have another thing here that's called notifications. Here, I have it set up for an open reminder. That means if the door is left open for more than 15 minutes, even if it's during the day, I'll get a notification on my phone and my Apple Watch. I'm sure it works with Android too, but I use Apple, so I get the notification. If I want, then I can click the button on the phone to close the garage door. So those are the two features that I use. You can also set up, if you really want, you can get a notification instantly every time the garage door is open or closed. It's up to you. And of course, you have a complete history here of every time the door is opened and closed as well. So I got this thing for $20 on Amazon. It was on sale, I will be honest with you. It sells about $29 as of this recording. I don't know why, but it was right after Christmas and I happened to see that it was on sale and I bought it, okay? $20, a bargain in my opinion. I think even $30 is worth it if you have this problem with your garage door being left open. So I'll put a link to that down in the video description. The rest of this video is going to show you the installation. So if you're interested in seeing how it's installed, stick around. So this is the product that I was talking about. This is a MyQ Smart Garage Control, and it's made by Chamberlain, but it is kind of universal. There is a compatibility guide online, and I will put a link to that down in the video description. The cool thing about this is if you're an Amazon Prime member, they can use this from the truck. They can open your garage door to stick your packages in your garage if you choose to. You can enable that, and that way you can prevent the porch pirates from stealing your stuff. So this kit really just has two components. This is a motion sensor, or an orientation sensor, I should say, and this goes on the garage door itself. And this tells you whether your garage door is closed or open. So that's the way that would work. This is the hub that not only has a warning signal when you're going to close the garage remotely and a light that flashes, but this is the hub that actually communicates with your garage door opener. Now this unit does not need to be wired to your garage door opener. It works remotely like a separate remote in your car. So that's not a problem, but it does require, obviously it requires power. So I was thinking I could either put it over here where there's an outlet, or I've got a free outlet above there by the garage door opener. I think I'm just going to put it up there. But that's where I'm going to put it. You don't have to do that. It can go anywhere in your garage. So the direction sheet that comes with it really aren't directions at all. They really just instruct you to download the app, and that's what I'm going to do now. The app will guide me through everything. Okay, so I decided I'm going to set it up on the bench first before I put it up on the garage because I do have to get at these buttons, and I didn't want to deal with that. So, would like to send me notifications. Of course I want to allow that. And I'm going to have to create an account, of course. All right, at this point it's asking me what kind of device I'm going to set up, and I'm going to set up a smart garage control, the white one. Access your compatible garage door opener, yes. Strong Wi-Fi signal, I have a Wi-Fi password, I have a ladder, I've got everything I need. I'm ready. Okay, I'm going to plug in this device. All right, I have a little blue blinking light, so that's good. Searching for devices, it found it. All right, pair. This only works with a 2G router according to the directions. So I have my 2G network here. I will put in my password. Okay, now I have a little, it's hard to see, but there, green. And it says I have successfully connected. Now I need to pull out this tab. Then press and release the button on the front. And I will see a red LED. Wow, it only blinks momentarily when you press that. Pair your garage sensor. Tap next. Press the button. Oh, look at that. They're now paired. Okay, that's cool. Now I'm going to install the sensor. Plastic adhesive. Now there is no adhesive on the back of that, so I'm assuming it's in the bag. Ah yes, it's got little Velcro adhesives here. Little adhesive strips. All right, now that I got my little Velcro strips on it, I'm going to mount it right here, which is the top panel of my door. And it's easily accessible, and it wasn't going straight up, so. All right. Now it's going straight up. It should be fine. All right. Next, pair this smart garage door hub to my garage door motor. All right, this is where you select your brand of garage door opener. I have a LiftMaster, and it has a learn button. Wow, what color is my learn button? It is yellow. Press and release the learn button you just found. Okay, so there's my learn button. And the LED light is on. And then, let's see here. It is pairing. Oh, and I heard a click, and that light went out. Very cool. All right, let's see. What am I going to call it? Garage door. I don't need a second sensor. I can install my hub now. Yeah, but I want to test it out first. Device setup complete. Ooh, I get a $30 Amazon checkout credit. Cool. Key 30. Nice. So it says the garage door is closed. Let me try to open it. Oh, baby! I'd say that's pretty sweet. And now it shows that it's open. And now I'm going to close it. Oh, that's cool. That beeps. Huh. Wow, there's actually a beeper up in here. Huh. See, mine does have this MyQ compatible on the side of it, but I guess that's why. So it doesn't actually use this light in here at all. So I guess that really means I can put this anywhere I want. So that means I'm going to keep it easy. I'll probably just put it right over here. There There it is. All right, let's do one more test. That's cool. If you are a DIY video creator struggling to find an audience, join HandyDadTV and get instant access to an established audience that will provide more views and income than you're getting on your own. Just go to HandyDadTV/join for more information.